Hi all, welcome to Invest with RJS. Hope you are doing good. So today we are going to learn about how to read chart and individual candles according to how they are performed on that particular day. So for that we will just try to put on any one of the stocks which we need to identify or do the technical analysis. So for this I have chosen Bajaj Finance since today it was in news because of housing finance IPO, and just see that how it is performing. So basic things for today is that we have to identify red means bearish and green means bullish. So this is the basic thing. So now first we have to identify, so how to, as part of how to read the chart, so first thing is we have to identify what are all the resistance regions. So we can see that support and resistance. For example, if you see that this is a point where most of the times stock has gone and came back, so try to join this. So by looking at this, what we identified, now it is in the resistance region, so it has to be, we has to be more cautious. Second thing is support. Let's see from where it has took support. First thing is from here, second thing is from here, third thing is from here. So there was this trend line, and again it can be extended till here, again supported, again came back from here, again support, took support, again here, again here. So here also there is one support for this. It has constantly from here it has gone up. This is good, and there is also one more resistance line like this way. If you see here it reached, came back, reached, came back, reached, came back, reached, came back. So this also you can try to join. This way we can identify support and resistance. Now the price action. Price action, if you see here, it is becoming lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. From here again started higher high, higher high, higher high. So this is how we can read any chart. So when it comes to the individual candles, if you see here, we'll try to identify some of the candles. Pick any of the candles. So I'll just pick one of today's. Let's see. Hover onto any candle. You are able to identify highs and lows of the candles. So 7215 and 7071 was the low. Today it started with 7229, open was 702,074. So almost it has become a gap up. It started gap up. So gap up shows that there is a more volume coming in, but that is not guarantee that on that day it will go up. It is just that somebody has put a order yesterday evening or today morning to went up, but later they might have shorted it also, we don't know. But just to identify, analyze the gap up theory is like, if it is gap up, that means that there volume coming in for buying. Okay, but then if you see here, it started here, went till here, it did not come back. That means that there is strong trend of the upside trend. So the small wick shows that it has came down till here, but buyers has actually pushed it. That is why formed a wick over here. Now coming back to this region, we will identify one of the candles. So this candle will pick it. So, and one of the main thing here is about our candlesticks. So if you go to the Invest with RJS, so there are very good article on candlesticks. You can go through the candlesticks. So what it will give you is, it will give you very good analysis of what is a candle and how we can do it. So bullish, bearish, neutral and everything. So there are some candles which are like bullish or bearish. You have to make a expertise on it so that you can always take a trend or decide on it. For this example, if you see, this is the main point. Please do not leave this. Make a note of it, that whenever a candlestick like a shooting star, like a hammer, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, if those are forming at the resistance level, that is for the bearish, and support level, that is for the bullish, there is high chance that it can go in their trend. Like if it is a bearish candle, it can go in a bearish trend. If it is in the bullish, then it can go in a bullish. For example, I will show you, this candle is a shooting star. So this now stock reached this region. One time it came, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. So fifth time also this candle became here shooting star. That means that it has tried to go up but could not sustain, come back, forming a big wick on the top, saying that sellers are pushing it. So there is, since it has formed in the resistance region, you have to be very cautious. The same way, if you see here, this candle is a kind of a hammer, and there is also one more candle which shows preceding to this candle, shows as indecisions, which is called doji. Doji means buyers try to go up but it is pushed by sellers, and sellers also try to push down but buyers pushed up. So there is no decision made who will win today. So that's why it is called a kind of a plus sign. So that is where it is called doji, and there is a indecision. So whenever there is a indecision, please be cautious. There can be chance that it can go down or it can go up. Just wait for next 2 days, you will get an indication of it. The same way, if you see here, all these here as well. So whenever there is a doji kind of a thing that there is no decision, just wait for 2 or 3 days. Whenever this top has crossed, you will get a one trend. Same way here, 1 or 2 days, or just mark it as a level, you will get a trend, at least 100-200 points. It is up to you to identify it, like how do you trade it, that is we will cover in the next part. And here also, if you see here, so this is a resistance region. It has happened a bearish engulfing, came down again, here again Marubozu bearish, came down. So again here, if you see, this is bullish engulfing, almost kind of bullish, but we cannot say, but it has engulfed this candle with a very good volume as well. The candle is also strong, it is going up, and this one. So most of the times, like, there are 2 or 3 different types where people get an entry in the stocks. One try to do by using candlestick itself, which will be the more what you can say, it will give more profit. The reason, because you are entering in the very beginning level. But somebody will try to enter after checking all the trend and everything. So this will be like here, they know that it has given good resistance from here, so there can be chance that it can come down. So but they will wait. Once it crosses this and forms strong candle, then they will get an entry here and they will get a chance to go ahead. So this is how we can read a chart. Kindly do a practice of it. Any chart, first try to add trend lines, support, resistance, then add price action. Just observe it, what's happening, then try to see support and resistance candles. Is there any candlesticks forming, and according to which you identify it. So it's just a practice. So every time you cannot go back to some chart or anything to identify what is it forming. Just identify 2 or 3 which is sure shot, out of 7, out of 10, 7 or 6 at least it is forming and it is giving result. Identify those and keep working on it. Thank you.